I can't believe that in 2026, some creators are still paying editors to edit for them. Are you being serious? You are a creator, a content creator, and you are paying someone to help you edit your videos. Not that it is higher videos. I mean basic editing that someone can even close his or her eyes and edit them. Why do you pay? It's not about the money. But what if the editor is not able to deliver your video at the agreed time? What if the editor is not able to give you the exact thing that you want in your video? Like, instead of paying an editor to edit your videos, it's better you pay the editor to learn how to edit. This thing is not hard. You see, this editing is not hard. The way you are seeing it, the effect you are seeing, the transition you are seeing, the animations that you are seeing, it's not really hard. Let's use Capcut for example. Capcut has so many effects, both for beginners, both for professionals. Like, even if it is your first time of opening Capcut, it is beginner friendly. You only need little assistance, like little help, little training here and there, and before you know it, you'll be able to master it. The more you use the app, the more you get used to it. The more you try new things, the more you try new effects, new features, then gradually you will get used to it. On today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to edit your videos with Capcut like a pro. You don't need experience before you start using Capcut. You don't need too much training. The only thing you need is to get the app from your app store or your play store, and then your videos or your video, depending on how many videos that you want to edit. You need to learn how to add transition to your videos. You need to learn how to add effect to your videos. You need to learn how to add animations to your videos, how to split your videos, how to overlay your videos, how to add audio to your videos, how to add photos, like a lot of things. Stop dishing out boring videos on YouTube, boring videos on Facebook, boring videos everywhere. Learn how to edit. Add little effects here and there to your videos. Those things matters. Capcut is very good. It's beginner friendly. It is very easy. Stop looking at it like it is hard. It is very easy. The quality of your videos matters a lot. If you are trying to get a good quality video, first of all, you need good camera. Then after the camera, the next thing is sunlight or lightning. You need good lightning for your videos to be very bright and sharp. Then you go to Capcut. Use any good editing app. It must not be Capcut, but Capcut is one of the best. Use any good editing app to color grade your videos. Now, Capcut has the free version and the paid version. Trust me, there are a lot that you can do with the free version, a whole lot. As a beginner, you don't have to start with the paid version. You can start with free version. As time goes on, you get to master the app, and now you can pay for the pro version. So if you have been finding it hard to edit your videos with Capcut, maybe to add videos in between, to overlay your videos, to add animations, effects, transition, or all of that, even audio or text, come with me. Let me show you how you can do that. When you open your Capcut, you will see the interface like this. This is your welcome video. You see new video, you see edit photo, you see a lot of them, auto cut, retouch, and a whole lot of them. Okay, so some of them are pro versions like I said before, but for now, as a beginner, you don't need them. We can use the basic free versions to do whatever we want. So let's assume we want to import a video. We are starting with a video, for instance. We click on new video and then import a video. Let me use this video as an example. So when I import a video, the first thing I do is to go down and delete that Capcut logo. Go to the end of your video, scroll to the end of your video, otherwise you will forget, you may forget. So scroll to the end of your video to delete this Capcut logo. Then here we are. So if you want to trim the video, if you want to trim it to cut the beginning, like the place that I paused before smiling, you can just highlight the video and then drag it. Let's assume I want to remove this place now. I will only highlight the video and then drag it this way till the place that I want to stop. This is here I want to stop. You can see that the place has gone. Okay, when you highlight the video, the first option that you will see is split. This is used to cut some part of the video, maybe somewhere that you made a mistake or somewhere that you don't like, you want to cut that place. You can just place the white line in that place, then click on split and then delete the part that you do not want. Split is used to delete the unwanted part of your video. Another option that you see there is volume. After split, the next option is volume. You can use it to increase or decrease the volume of your video. Don't touch reduce noise if you are not subscribed to Capcut. Okay, the next option that you see there is animations. We all know what animations does to our video, like it gives our videos life. There are so many animations here that you can choose. We have in, out, and combination of the two. Like if you want the same animation to play for both in and out, you can just go to combo and choose the one that you want. If you want different animation for in and different animation for out, you can just choose it separately, and then you can increase the time or decrease it. Okay, there are so many animations. Just test it one after the other and choose the one that you like. The next option that we have here is effect. Effect is somehow similar to animation, but they are not the same. Effect is more deep, like it's more deeper than animation. So let's text this effect. There are a lot of effects here. Under trending, we have a lot. Under classic, new, like so many of them. Okay, we have so many of them. We have intro and outro. This is the one I mostly use, and most creators also use it too. Okay, so when you go under there, you will see a lot of them, like a whole lot. No one can choose for you. Just test them and see the one that suits the kind of video you are making. And you can also increase the speed of your effects from here. You can increase the speed or decrease it. Okay, then after testing, if you have seen anyone you like, then you click on that mark, you check it there, and you are good to go. All those ones with blue diamonds are pro versions, so if you are not subscribed, you have no business with using them, because they won't allow you to download the videos, they won't allow you to export the videos rather. Then we also have body effect, we have photo effect and AI effect. All those ones are working as well. You can also try them at your leisure time. The next feature that we have there is delete. Everyone knows what delete is used for. Like to remove the unwanted part of your video, you can just split and delete. Okay, and the next feature is speed. You can use this feature to increase or decrease the speed of your video. You can add your video to slow motion or just increase the speed of your video. What we have next is beats. Trust me, as a beginner, I don't need it. Honestly, you don't. And that brings us to the next feature, which is crop. Just as the name goes, you can use it to just crop out part of the videos that you don't want, or maybe to resize your video to any angle of your choice. Okay, the next one there is duplicate. You can just use it to make a copy of your video. You highlight the video that you want to duplicate and then click on duplicate. Okay, the next one is replace. You can use the feature to replace your video. Like you want to change your video, you don't want to edit this one again, you want to bring in another one from your photos, you can use that option replace to replace your video. But just know that if your video, like this video now is 20 seconds, if I want to replace this video now, it must be the exact length with the one that I want to replace it with. The video that I'm bringing in must be 20 seconds. Even if it is longer than 20 seconds, they will automatically select just 20 seconds length. All right, then the next one is overlay. You can use this overlay to place a video or a photo on top of your video, like to bring in another video. Maybe you want to talk about on another video, you want to overlay a video on your screen so that you can talk about that video. Okay, you can either overlay the video, the part of the video you are editing, just split and then click on overlay. It will come down automatically, then you place it where you want it to be, or you can just click on overlay, then go to your gallery and bring in fresh video or fresh picture so that you can overlay it. The next option there is adjust. There's a lot that you can do with adjust. You can use it to color grade your videos. Inside adjust, we have filters. You can choose any filter that suits you or that suits the color of your video, your skin color and all that. Okay, then we also have video quality. This one is mostly pro version. If you are subscribed to Capcut, you will be able to use that feature. Okay, under this adjust, you can increase your brightness, your contrast, saturation, a lot of them, a whole lot. Just go to adjust and carefully color grade your videos. The next option we have is retouch. You can retouch your body, you can retouch your face, you can retouch your hair, you can smoothen your skin, you can apply makeup, you can change your hair or your hair color, your hairstyle, your body size, your nose, everything is there. All right, at your leisure time, you can just check it out and see what you will do with it. Okay, then we also have video quality, which enables you to change the quality of your video, and it is on pro version. Then we have remove background. You can use this option to remove the background of your video. like to change the background of your video to something else, just to remove it, we have the auto remover and we have the free option which you can remove carefully by yourself. And then we have a brush and other things under the remove background. We also have chroma key there, which enables you to remove the background of your green screen. We also have other AI features there, which is obviously on pro version. These features are really good and you can try it out once you are subscribed to Capcut. Then that brings us to the next option, which is opacity. You can use it to increase or decrease the light of your video, like the brightness of your video, to make the video dim or to make the video bright enough. We will have to skip the pro features and then go to transform. You can use transform to mirror your video, to rotate your video, like to rotate it up and down, left and right, and we also have advanced features under transform. Then we have audio effect, which is the next free version that we have there. You can use audio effect to change the pitch of your audio, like to change your voice. If you want to change your voice to a male voice, to a female voice, or to any character of your choice, here in audio effect you can use the effects that are free to change your audio. We also have enhanced voice, which is very good for your audio, or if you don't have a good mic, you can use enhanced voice. Then we have freeze. This is used to freeze the part of your video. As you can see, this part is already freezed. Maybe you want to talk about this part or you want to work on this part, you can click on freeze. You can extend it or reduce it depending on your choice. Before I forget, these options are undo options, undo and redo. You can choose to undo or redo the effect that you added on your videos. Then we also have reverse effect. This reverse, you can use it to reverse your videos, like to make your video play backwards. And then we have mask. Mask is what the movie industry usually use to make themselves look like they are true. To make a copy of yourself in a way that you can even be talking to yourself, like seeing one person in a movie that is true. The person is talking to himself wearing the same clothes or dressed in another way, but it still has the same face, the same body. That's the work of mask. You can use it to make a copy of yourself just exactly like you. You can use it to talk to yourself. You can use it to do anything. We have horizontal, we have square, we have rectangle, we have circle, and a lot of them. So the next option after edit is audio. So in this audio, this is where you get your sound. It's either you extract sound from your videos or you get sound and music from Capcut. Capcut already has its own sound and music. You can choose to use them or not, but actually I recommend having your own sound, having your own music. Alright. You can also choose to voice over your videos just the way I am doing, like click on record and record your own sound. Apart from that, there are other available options that you can choose from. So the next option after audio is text. When you click on text, you have add text, you have stickers, you have auto caption, text to audio, text template, auto relics, draw, and a lot of them. Even when you click under text, you still have templates, fonts, style, effects, animations, bubbles, presets, and a whole lot of them. There are a lot that you can do here. You can change font, you can add captions to your videos, you can change the style of your font, the color of your font, and a whole lot. You can explore it at your own free time. The next option that we have there is effect. I've talked about how you can add video effect to your videos, to your images, even body effect, and every other one that is there. You can try this out, because if I want to go into deep, this video is going to take up to 1 hour. Okay. Then we move to overlay. You can just overlay your video. You can choose to overlay an existing video or to bring in a new video. For example, I brought in this like, subscribe, and share green screen. I overlaid it. I put it under my main video because I want it to be in front of my video. I'm going to remove background, use chroma key to remove the green screen. Okay, so this is what you can do with overlay. Then we move to sticker. There are a lot you can do with sticker. You can use it to teach, you can use it to show something, you can use it to block something. You can there are a lot of stickers here. You can see a lot of them, including emojis, arrows, like when you are teaching, using arrows to point, and phone stickers, TV stickers, a whole lot of stickers. Anyone you need, I'm sure it will be here. Some of them are pro version, while some of them are free version. You can choose the one you want depending on your plan. Then we have aspect ratio. Choosing your aspect ratio depends on where you are posting the video, whether it is YouTube long form video YouTube short video, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or anywhere that you're posting it, you choose the aspect ratio accordingly. And the last option is your background. Okay, when you remove your background or when you decide to change your background, there are so many options that you can choose from. You can either choose color, or you can choose to pick image, or you can choose to mix the color by yourself depending on your choice. Okay, so guys, I believe that with these few points or with these few tips on how to use CapCut, you will be able to use CapCut properly as a beginner. You will be able to edit your videos by yourself and stop paying editors, or better still, you can pay the editors to teach you how to edit. Okay, if there is anyone that I skipped, just know that as a beginner you don't need it. As a beginner, it's not necessary to you. These are the few tips that I use and it helped me to master my editing properly. Lastly, you can also choose to subscribe to CapCut because it makes your editing easy, especially when you are editing long videos. But if you cannot subscribe for now, you can manage their free versions. Okay, after editing, if the CapCut logo is up, you just go to InShot and crop it out, or you use your phone and crop it out. Alright, if this video has helped you in any way, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. You can also drop your comments or your question in the comments section. I will be there to answer your questions. If there's anything you want me to talk about, like you want me to teach or you want to know, you can let me know in the comment section. Alright, I will see you on my next video.